Alright guys, so today I'm gonna teach you guys how to change your DRL into yellow light bulbs. So it's a 9005 by the way, so let's get to it. Okay, so the hood is open. So I went ahead and changed this side. This one's the easier side. All you gotta do is reach in the back, which is right there, and you do that by just pulling this up, this power steering fluid, like that, and then you should be able to put your hand through right here and then twist it to the right. So yeah, twist it to the right to get it off, and then to the left to put it back on. So on this side, as you guys can see, the battery is in the way. So first you want to loosen this and this so the battery can move back, and I'll just do that right now. You don't even have to touch the other side, so just this side. Don't lose your bolt. So now you can push this back. So obviously I'm gonna need two hands now, but as you guys can see, it's right there. So now if you hold this with your other hand, you can reach in there and turn that this way to the right again. So, or left, yeah, which it'll come loose. Okay, let me see. Okay, to the left, sorry, to the left. Oh. Okay, so right there it's out. That was actually right, my bad. Okay, so now all you gotta do is press this tab right here. Press this tab and pull the bulb out, the light bulb out. So this is the light bulb I'm gonna replace it with. I just got it from AliExpress. It's a cheap light bulb, but yeah. So there guys, I already got the old one out and I got the new one in. Once you have it in, then you just press it till it clicks, and then you just put it back on the hole. And then turn it to the left. So right, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Alright. Okay, so I got a better angle here. So you guys can see what's happening, right? So here there's tabs that you gotta line up to the thing. You'll know, so you can pull it out, but now when you put it back in, you line up the tab again, and then you try to lock it in place with those tabs. So now I want to turn it this way, clockwise. I'm in the back side. You know what I mean. It'll lock into place. There's only one way of taking it out and putting it back in. So there you go. Yellow lights. It's fairly easy. I just got confused because I was facing the front, from the front, but it's very easy light bulb to do. You guys will figure it out. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and bye for now.